If you're looking for a pretty sock that knits up fast, looks super impressive, and give off just the right amount of lace, you're going to want to hear about this pattern. The Sophia Socks are a free lace ankle sock pattern that I designed to be quick, dainty, and just fun to make. They're inspired by the lace trim from my Sophia Skirt pattern, so if you've knit that one, you'll definitely recognize the cuff. But even if you haven't, I think you're going to love how delicate and clean the finished edge looks. Let's start with how they're made. These socks are knit top down, so you start at the lace cuff and work your way down to the toe. That means you get to cast on and immediately start with the prettiest and most fun part of the project. I don't know about you, but that's always a win for me. I want that early hit of motivation. The edge is 2 repeats of horseshoe lace. The result is this beautiful scalloped look around the ankle that makes them feel a little vintage, a little girly, but still totally wearable with everyday outfits. And that lace just peeks out over the top of your shoes. Now the body of the sock is all smooth stocking knit, which means once you've joined in the round, it's cruise control. You don't have to worry about keeping a lace repeat going or counting a million things while trying to watch your favorite show. It's great couch knitting. Then comes the heel, and it's a short row heel. If you've never done one before, don't panic. It's really not hard once you see it in action. I promise, once you knit a short row heel once or twice, it becomes second nature. They're tidy, snug, and don't require any gusset stitches, so the whole sock just keeps that nice, minimalistic look. Okay, but now let's talk about the yarn, because honestly, that's half the fun of a new project. I used Hobbii Unicorn Solids for this pattern originally. That's the green ones. But for the second pair, I used an old hank of Knit Pick Stroll tonal tweed, which was a special edition yarn. Honestly, I love both. They're both fingering weight yarn with just the right amount of bounce and structure to really show off the lace. The stitch definition is just chef's kiss. You can see every eyelet and scallop clearly, which makes all your effort feel so worth it. For needles, I used a 2.25 double pointed needle. I know not everyone loves double pointed needles, but they really do work so well for socks like this. That said, if you're a magic loop person or you prefer 2 circulars, this pattern is flexible. You can use whatever you're comfortable with. Now here's the second reason I love this sock. It's fast. Because it's an ankle sock. You don't have to knit several inches of leg. That means this project flies. You get the satisfaction of a finish without the weeks of work. It's also a great palette cleanser between projects if you've just come off of a big sweater or cardigan and need something smaller and satisfying to work on that's also functional. Plus, it's the kind of sock that makes an amazing gift. Imagine a few of these tucked into a little basket with lotion or tea, or even paired with a matching hat or a skirt or top. You can knit them in just a couple evenings, and they'll feel like something truly special. If you've been on the hunt for a lace ankle sock pattern that looks feminine but won't make you pull your hair out, this is the one. And the best part, you can grab the Sophia Socks pattern completely free over on my blog. Just head to the description of this video and click the link. And while you're there, I've also linked the exact yarn I used for the originals, Hobbii Unicorn Solids. So if you want your socks to look just like mine, you can grab a couple skeins right from that page. I actually only used 1 on this pattern. And hey, if you found this helpful or inspiring, I'd love if you tap that like button, subscribe to my channel for more left-handed tutorials and free pattern walkthroughs just like this, and share this video with a knitting friend. It really helps me out, and I love seeing this community grow. Happy knitting. Now let me know in the comments what color you're making your Sophia socks in. I'm thinking for my next pair, it's probably going to be plum.